Is it giving Ronald McDonald? Because that is not what we're going for. It is definitely not giving that. Hello dolls, it is She and welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, hey girl, hey. We do all things beauty, hair, lifestyle here on this channel. So if you're into any of that sort of content, I hope that you'll do us a favor and join the family. We like to have fun here. We would love to have you. So for today's video, we have partnered with InColorWigs to bring you this, girl, this spicy, ginger, luscious, curly wig. I absolutely adore it. And I popped on a nice little red lip just to set it off a little bit more. So shout out to InColor Hair for sponsoring today's video. We absolutely love that for our channel, honey. So as usual, in today's video, we'll be doing a full unboxing, review, and install of this unit as you see her here. Really quick, the specs on this unit. This is their number 30 ginger 13x4 lace front wig. The hair texture is Jerry curly with the pre-plucked hairline, and I got her in 22 inches. Right now, as I'm recording this video, they are running a sale for $5 off anything over $100, $12 off of anything over $239, and then $8 off any of their 13x4 lace front wigs. I'll include any special coupon codes that I might get to get my girls a little bit of coins off. Please be sure to check the description box. I'll make sure that I have everything listed there as usual. And without further ado, let's jump right into the review. Super excited for this one. Look at this wig. Look at her. The hairline, oh my god, hairline is plucked to perfection. The knots are bleached. This color is so gorgeous. It's so different from anything I've ever done, so I'm super excited to try it. The hair is really soft, has a nice bounce to it. I have not washed it or co-washed it or anything. I'm going to go ahead and apply the wig, and then I'm going to probably spray it down with some water and conditioner mix, and then probably put a little bit of foam in there to really define the curl and make the curls pop. But guys, this color is so gorgeous. I'm gonna have to come up with a name for her. I don't know, but let's get right into the install, guys. Listen, I had to go throw on a red lip just to match this spicy hair. Guys, I absolutely love this unit, this color. This color is so pretty and it's so different for me, but it looks so good against my skin. This caramel little top and then this red lip, honey, it just really sets it off. Now, the hairline, it is really, really nice. I think the center was intentionally a little bit straighter than most, but because it is indeed pre-plucked and the hairline is nice and light, and you can see that someone really went in and took their time plucking it. It's just a little bit straight right here, and I don't really like to do baby hairs, so I wish that they just had staggered it a little bit more. The actual plucking and the thinness is good. It's just a little bit straight right here at the front, while the sides are perfect. So I might go in and just kind of create like a little custom hairline here in the front and do a little bit more plucking just so that it doesn't look so straight right here and I don't have to do baby hair. I just did like a quick little swoop here on this side, but I don't like to go crazy with the baby hair. So hair is really, really nice. It's really, really light. I got no tangles when I was kind of running my fingers through it and styling it, and I didn't get hardly any shedding. I have my brush right here, and I mean, I literally got a few strands. It's like kind of right here on my desk. I got hardly no shedding out this unit, which I absolutely love. The color is beautiful. I absolutely love this color. I mean, it's not for the faint at heart, honey. She's a little bit bold. She's definitely a little bit spicy, and with the spring summer months coming up, I love to do like a little fun color, so I absolutely love it. I love that it actually just kind of comes straight out of the pack like this. They custom color it for you, so you don't have to do anything. Just pop her on and go, honey. I think that this will also be a good glueless wig, but you will have to attach, I think, a headband on it just to pull it a little more snug. Like I said, the cap does run on the larger side. So there really weren't many cons at all, other than it being a little bit straight right here on the hairline. Other than that, this is a beautiful unit. This is a beautiful unit. I absolutely love the density of it. It's not too thick. I hate really big wiggy units, and this density I find to be absolutely perfect, and I believe it is 180% density. But again, I will have everything in the description box per use. So yeah, that is it, dolls. Please jump in the comment section. Let me know if you're feeling this color on me. Like, is this my color? Like, is she my color, or is it like just too much? Is it giving Ronald McDonald? Because that is not what we're going for. It is definitely not giving that. We're not trying to give Ronald McDonald, especially with the red lip. But I mean, I don't know. I'm kind of feeling her. I'm kind of feeling the vibe. You guys let me know what you think. Please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe before you leave. And yeah, I'll see you dolls in the next video.